Last episode, when we put the gearbox in and specifically the new exhaust, the O2 sensor location didn't work anymore because on the factory dump, it's right up the top. There's a plug that hangs out right under the intercooler there and it fits straight in. The sensor was also a bit how you going, and I may or may not have sold the exhaust with the old sensor in it, but we won't talk about that. What I have done though is got myself an NTK brand new factory replacement sensor, which looks a little bit like that. Has the Subaru plug on one side. Now that would plug straight in and bolt straight in if my exhaust was standard, but it's not. So I'm going to replace this one. All I did was just throw a old broken wideband oxygen sensor on there for now, in the meantime, so I didn't have a mad exhaust leak, because exhaust leaks on Subarus sound rubbish, as we've learnt.
Yes, they do.
They absolutely do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a factory replacement sensor for now, so the factory computer is happy. Now this only really matters on cruise anyway. The computer's not that smart. It's not constantly really monitoring it for load related stuff. It's just when you're on the highway to try and make sure it's not using too much fuel. So that can go in like that, which is now installed. All I've got to do now is extend this plug. So the easiest way is just to hack it in the middle and throw in 3 wires and then plug it straight in, which is going to be the best way to sort this out.
Did you tell everyone it's because you accidentally sold your old one with the old exhaust?
I just said that, yeah.
You did?
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
I didn't want to.
I didn't need to remind you about it.
But you kind of did.